In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get all your webinar data from Contrast flowing into HubSpot. So then on contacts, you have timeline activities such as these. You can see what they answer to polls and of course, also Contrast engagement timeline. So let me show you how you set it up in just 2 minutes. Okay, there's two prerequisites that you need to know about. First of all, of course, you need to have a Contrast webinars account. You can create one for free. And even on the free plan, we support HubSpot as well. And then, of course, you need to have a HubSpot account. Makes sense, right? All right, let's get it set up. Here in settings on Contrast admin, you can click on settings, integrations, and there you will find the HubSpot integration. It's an OAuth integration. That means you can just click into it to integrate. So no difficult setups. So that's what we're going to do. Click on the card. It will show you that it's HubSpot certified. In the next step, you're going to see it's not certified, but that's because it's our testing environment. You can just ignore that in this video. So click on connect. We're being redirected to HubSpot. We can select the account that you want. You probably just have one HubSpot account. We have multiple. Select your HubSpot account, choose account, and right here we're asking it to connect. So there's a few things. You can walk through this, of course, but it's a very basic integration. We're HubSpot certified, so all good there. You should connect the app. Normally, you don't have to check that box because we're certified. And right here, you can see that HubSpot has been connected. So that's really all there is. A few important things to note is that we can only sync registrants after you have connected HubSpot. So if you already had registrants in there, yeah, they're not going to be synced. So make sure that you connect the integration from the very get-go. That's important. Something else is important that we always check first if a contact already exists. If they exist, we only append information. If they don't exist yet, we create the contact in HubSpot. And by default, we create them as non-marketing contacts. So that is important to know. And I think that's really all there is to connecting HubSpot. Good luck. Feel free to reach out when you need us, and see you later.